So today was a work day, and after finishing work, I went to the Apple store and got the replacement of the AirPod Maxes that I was wearing in this video. When I was going through a couple of my archived folders, I found something that I had recorded and never uploaded. Because the AirPod Maxes, the blue one that I was wearing, stopped working. Initially, I had ordered the black AirPod Maxes back in December of 2020 when AirPod Maxes were released, but it started to have issues. I was getting a lot of static on that one, and when I took it to the Apple store, they were like, we're gonna replace it. And I was like, maybe I'll get a blue one this time, maybe because, you know, the black might not have been a good luck for me or something like that. I don't know, I can't remember it now, but I got the blue one as the replacement, which is why you can see me wearing the blue AirPod Maxes in that video. But now the blue one as well, a couple of days ago, a day or two ago, it stopped working because every time I was like trying to charge it, it wouldn't charge. And on my phone, it would always show that the AirPod Maxes had 1% only and it would not factory reset. I tried anything and everything. I explained the same thing to the Apple store today when I took it to the Genius Bar, and they were like, we can send it for repair. You could potentially get it in 5 business days or something. But the manager heard our conversation and they were like, well, if the device is not working at all, then we'll just replace it. There's no point in getting it repaired. So what I did was like, I got the AirPod Maxes. So I'll show you. It's in this bag. And this time around, I got the black one because when I got the replacement of my original black AirPod Maxes and I got the blue one as the replacement, the ear cups started to get dirty very quickly on the blue ones because the ear cups are also blue. And it was very, very clear that it was getting dirty quicker. I tried to clean it as well using the recommended method in the Apple's website, but that didn't work because, you know, I wear it daily for like work. Like every time I'm working, I put the AirPod Maxes on to listen to music, to cancel out the external noise so that I can be in the zone and focus. And I walk to and from work. So during winter when it was cold, I would wear them because I wouldn't sweat. But still, your skin exudes like a couple of oils or stuff like that, right? And the blue ear cups were getting dirty as hell. So this time I was like, lesson learned when I got the blue AirPods Maxes as a replacement. So I was like, I'm gonna stick with the black one. And the manager gave me the black one because it was in stock and I didn't have to pay anything. It was covered by Apple themselves and I'm really happy. So let's unbox it. Although I did put the video of the black one unboxing, I didn't speak much about it. But yeah, let's go through it. In the back, it just says AirPod Max with smart case. Not too sure if you can see that, but it says it right here. The case is not a beautiful design, but at least the functionality of the AirPod Maxes are really good for someone who is in the Apple ecosystem. Obviously, the price tag of $899 is not worth it, but originally, as I mentioned in the old video as well, the AirPod Maxes were a gift to me, so, you know, like not having to spend your own money, it's really good and convenient for someone who is in the ecosystem and like, yeah, I'm gonna use this daily, so this is gonna be good. So let's take it out of the box. I don't have to tear anything because there's like a seal here, which I can lift it up, and it's stuck with the glue. So this came out. I thought this was going to be a nice experience, but this came out. Now, let's see. I need 2 hands, so let's do this. Okay. Can put this to the bed. On the insides, this is what you get. So you can take it out, put this to the side, and you get designed by Apple in California right here. So you can take that out. And you're presented with USB-C to lightning cable, which we don't need. So I'm going to put the box to the side. You get the usual books and paper stuff right here. It says AirPod Max. And I think you also get a sticker, maybe, or maybe not. Yeah, I don't see a sticker. I think in the original one, there was a sticker, but we don't need the sticker anyways. So I'm going to put this neat and tidily and going to toss it aside. So you get this baking paper kind of thing as well. What you can do is you can take it out and you don't need to take it out by tearing it apart. What you can do is simply open this and you can take the AirPod Maxes out. Obviously, it has this white protection thing here. You can take it out like this. Obviously, as you know, this is magnetic. You hear that snap? That's pretty amazing. So let's put this aside for now. This is the smart case, whatever they call it. And you can take it out and you can toss it aside. So this is magnetic. And because this is space gray color, the ear cups is not gonna look as dirty. So it's gonna hide the dirt pretty well, all the oils that come from your skin. And when you put it here inside the bag, this is how it's gonna look. And you obviously have the mesh here, which is very breathable and it's very soft. Obviously, if you've never tried the AirPod Maxes, then at first this is gonna feel very heavy, but once you get used to the weight, it's not gonna be something that, it's gonna be hard to wear for long hours. I literally wear this for like 8 to 10 hours in a day. I do not get bothered by it. It doesn't affect my ear. It doesn't feel like it's pressing me too hard. And I got used to the weight pretty easily, pretty quickly. When the transparency mode is enabled, sometimes I even forget that I have this on. So that's pretty amazing. So pairing is pretty simple. I showed it in my other video, so I'm not gonna do that now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the unboxing. The other video that I uploaded a couple of days ago, I basically uploaded the original black AirPods Maxes that I got that I was unable to upload way back then, but there was no audio. So in this one, there is audio. Just wanted to do this again. And I was lucky that the opportunity presented itself. So yeah, there you have it. So I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, peace.